thinking of getting some eggs, and I know the right place to get them. In Ken's Animal Rescue Center. And also, I want to get some chicks to go with my farm. It'll be super cute! Well, let's go! I like this tractor. It's so cool and red. I love this color. Ooh, yeah. And then it has a cute little place in the back where animals can go in. It's time to go! Boom, boom! Look at me go! Woohoo! Ooh, I can't wait to get those eggs and those cute chicks.
It's a wonderful day at Ken's Animal Rescue Center. Hi, cow. Hi, goat. Hi, bird. I'm gonna pet you. Boop. They're so cute. Hi, squirrels. I see you're hiding in your little home. But this little guy, he's hiding on a basket. How do you like that basket? Push, push. Oh, he's sleeping now. Hey, fox. Enjoying the feed I'm giving you? Of course you are. You're always there every single day eating that stuff. And there's the little deer always watching her friend fox. Boop. Cute ears. Time to check on the little chicks and chickens. Here we go, the cute little chicks. Also hiding underneath in the lower level because it's easy for them to get to. And then we have the big mamas of chickens right here. Another great day at Ken's Animal Rescue Center.
What? I see there's bunnies! Oh no! I think the mama one is on its back. It's not moving! You know what? Ken's place is also a rescue center. Maybe he'll help them. Okay, let's get them and put them in the tractor here. It'll be safe. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put you in the back over here. It's gonna be soft here. We got hay there. Okay, let's go back. And now let's go to Ken's Animal Rescue Center. Let's go. Hello. It's okay, bunnies. You're gonna be safe.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Mr. Ken. I need you really bad right now. I was here to get some eggs and some chicks, but then I saw that there was bunnies on the road and the mama one wasn't moving.
Really? Is the mama okay?
Well, I don't know. Maybe you can help them.
Definitely. I own this place. Alright, let's see the bunny.
They're in the back of the tractor here.
Okay. I'll come with you.
Okay, see, they're over here. They're in the hay. Can you please help them?
Oh, I will definitely help them. Alright, let's pick them up.
Yeah.
Okay, I got one of them.
Want me to get the other?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's bring them over to the care center above the deer. Alright, there's the one of them. Is that the little kid bunny?
Yes.
Aww.
Can you help
Reminds
them?
me of a cat. Yes, I can. As you can see in here, in the back of this little coop, I have plenty of supplies. I have snacks, a drink, tons of medicine, a first aid kit. I think I left a tub of ice cream in the back, but there's a lot of medical care for this animal. Alright, it's time to check the bunny. First things first, I need to stare at it face to face. Okay, the bunny smells fine, doesn't need a bath, that's for sure. I must listen to its heartbeat. Okay, the mama's fine. Now I must check the kid. Oh, the kid's a bit sad. He's running away, but his heart's fine. Okay, it seems they just have tiny bruises and that's it. We don't have to use this giant pig needle that's hiding right behind the mom. That scares a lot of the animals. Alright, let's check their stomachs. Let's see if there's any weird bumps. Oh, this kid has a rumbling stomach. This kid's hungry.
Well, how are they doing so far, Ken?
They're doing fine. Just a few bruises, and the little kid's hungry. All right, time to feed him with this food. I'm gonna feed it some milk. All right, little kid, here you go. Take some milk. Oh, you like that, don't you? Oh, yes you do. Oh, wow, you're emptying the whole bottle. Okay, this bunny just emptied the whole bottle of milk. Now I'm gonna have to reach for more in the back. Excuse me. Okay. Oops, I dropped it. Okay, got the bottle. Now I must give it to the big adult. Here you go. Aw, she likes the milk too. Okay, they're both full of milk.
Well, is there anything else you need to do?
I don't think so, but you can let them play with the other animals here.
Are you sure? Are they okay with the other animals?
I am definitely sure. I mean, look at the sign. It shows a deer and a bunny playing together. What other signs do you need?
Well, yeah, I guess you're right. You can let them play with the other animals.
Hooray! Okay, I'm just gonna help them get over there to play Mr. Squirrel. Okay, kid, here you go. Turn around, buddy. Okay. I gotta get the big mama. Pretty heavy. Bigger than a kid, obviously. Gonna try to put you down slowly. Oh, the mama is stuck on. She fell. Oh no. Okay, the mommy got back on her feet. You're too close to the edge, kid. Nudge. Alright, there we go. Hi, Mr. Squirrel. Bloop.
They look so nice together. Look at them, and they look so happy.
They do, don't they?
Well, now that they're okay, I'm gonna go get some chicks and some eggs.
Okay, they're right behind you. Alright, Barbie, you can get whatever you want.
Let's see. Ooh, I should get a hen. Ooh, let's get the white one. It's so pretty.
Oh, it is.
It's a very snowy white. Okay, I'll just put it here in the back of my tractor. Ooh, there's the eggs. Let's get the eggs.
Oh, yes, that is all the eggs I have.
Oh, don't worry.
Don't drop them.
You can always make more.
If you break it, you buy it.
I'm already getting it too.
Well, I don't pay for it.
I'll get all the chicks.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Well,
I'm gonna miss all of them.
there's 4 of them.
I call them the 4 Musketeers, not 3, 4, because they all look alike.
Okay, that's 1.
Uno,
2.
dos,
Oh no.
still dos,
It's okay.
dos.
Oh no!
You dropped one of
It's okay.
them.
Oh no!
The rest.
It's okay. Okay, and last one.
And 4. Yes, I'm back to English now.
They're okay.
All right.
That one's gonna start sleeping.
You got everything you need, Barbie?
Yes, I got everything I need, and also the care for those bunnies I found on the road.
Perfect.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, how much do I owe you?
Oh, you don't owe me anything. This is an animal rescue center.
Thank you so much, Ken.
You're welcome, Barbie.
Bye.
Bye.
Time for me to go back now.
Bye.
Bye.
I miss you already.
Okay, let's back up. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, there we go. Vroom, vroom. Woo! We're going home, and then these chicks and the hen will have a happy home in my farm. Woo!